Hi, welcome to Analytics for All. This is one of my lessons in Excel for data science. This lesson is called Adjusting Name Ranges. I did a lesson before on creating named ranges and how they're easier, make it easier to kind of work with an Excel worksheet. Let's go ahead, pop into it, and let's work on this. Okay. So, as with all my lessons, I have a full write-up on my website, analyticsforall.org. Uh, and if I'll put a link for the description down in the link for the site down in my description. And on this particular page, you can go down there. I have a file called Class Choice I'll be working with. You can download it if you want to play along without having to recreate the file yourself. Okay, here's the file. What this is basically it's a tracker for class choices. We've got 16 classes, 11 time slots, and these are all students have put in their preferences for which class they want to take. And it's already been broken into some named ranges. We have a named range for the class, named range for the time slots, and one for the choices. Okay. Now, this was working fine until somebody at the college decided we needed to add more classes. So we're going to, instead of 16 classes, we're now going to offer 20. Well, now here's my problem. So you see my ranges are lost there. So what we can do to fix this so I can include the 4 new classes there is just to go up here to the formulas. So if you're right there on top of the ribbon bar, you'll have some more. Just go to formulas, and you're going to look for name manager. Okay, and it's going to bring up this window, and it's got our names. And the first one we're going to worry about is the class. So what we want to do is we want to adjust it. So we click on class and we edit. And now this is right here is where it refers to. We could change the name if we wanted to at this point, where we put some comments in there as to what, and that's really useful to do if you're passing this along to somebody else. But we'll just start here. We're going to go into there, and then we'll go ahead back down to here. And I'm just holding down my shift key, and I'm going to bring this along until I get to 20. And you'll see it changed here in the formula, and I say OK. And close. And now when we go ahead and we look at class, it's going to cover all 20. And we can do the same thing for choice, which was wrong there. The only one that stayed is the time slots. So we'll go to choice, we'll edit, click in here, and then I'm just going to go from here, drag this all the way over, grab the bottom, we'll hold down my shift key, click down there, then hit OK. Close that, and now when I go to the choice, it pops up and covers everything here. Okay? All right. Thanks a lot. If you like this video, go ahead and hit like and subscribe. I'll have a link to the range video in first if you don't know how to do named ranges, and I'll also have a link to my website. Again, hit like, subscribe. Leave me a message. I make videos on demand for people who want anything involving data science. So it can be everything from Excel to Python to machine learning to Tableau, that kind of stuff. I'll be happy to make a video for you. Just leave a note in the comments, and thank you very much.